Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's video is a special request here for random select. So I hope I did this video to your liking. So here we are. We are trading at 0.7815, 24-hour volume. We're down 28%. Market cap, we are up 0.30%. Okay, so heading over to the chart, we've got it on a daily time frame. We can see price is retracing closer to an area of support that is really alarming in my eyes, just because our MACD indicator can either be, at the top peak of this trend and can expand because we can see that the spaces in between our signal line, our orange line, and our actual MACD line is the blue. I would be a little bit more optimistic in on a daily time frame for holding the support if I saw these lines closer together, because it would signal or give me a feeling that the lines were going to cross over and then kind of signal that we are going into more of the green, which is the bull trend line itself. So as the price is coming down, we need to be able to see some lightness in the color here. I can't stress that enough, especially closer to an area of support. If we take a look at the candlestick already, the candlestick retraced only 50% of the previous candle. If we are looking for some type of reversal, we need to achieve at least 75% and have the body at least 50% of the previous candle here. So really not looking like a lot here. If we take a look at the volume that we have using our volume profile off to the side, really majority of the actual action was either taking above us or below us. So this is kind of very crucial. If we can see a reversal at this time, then we are going to come back up here and retest this as a resistance at 0.86. And the reason why I say that is because we look at the chunks of our volume. The very top of it is going to be, the outskirts of a resistance or a support, depending on where the price is. So we're hoping to come here at 80, and then here again at 83, and then here is 86. So we have a few resistance levels to break through, so long again the MACD flips over for us, and then we can go and continue our road. But if we look at our RSI, we are at 4 and 1, even though on a daily time frame it does say or signal us that it is considered to be oversold. We're found at the very bottom itself, but because our MACD is in the red, price is not going to go as far as we'd like it to be. As a pullback, we may actually just get capped up at the highest again at the 81 cents here. If we go into a 4-hour time frame, let's take a look at the same indicators and take a look if there is any signals with our candlesticks itself. This is very similar to to Jasmine that I just did a video on. If we take a look here, we have our higher peak, we created a higher high, however we created even a lower low. So we're expanding in essentially this like a symmetrical expanding triangle, which this pattern itself is a continuation pattern of the overall trend. If we see Bitcoin drop even more, then a whole bunch of other altcoins is going to follow through, and we may see that in Polygon as well. So as price is coming here, we're going to quickly do our fib chart from there to there. If we can see, we're only capped up right now at the 38%. Our RSI right now is at 44 and 64%, and we see lightness in the color of our MACD indicator on a 4-time interval. Now, if we take a look at our MACD, this is what I'm hoping that we see and actually accomplish closer to here at the 38%, because the 38%, not a lot of people trade at 38%, and then 61 here is we're hoping to get a crossover of the MACD indicator more again in the green as price is coming down for the RSI. That's okay. We just need to have this crossover to the green. We may actually find ourselves here capped up at the 50%, so long as the price is excelling. Again, we can see on the candlesticks here, we capped up 50% of the previous candle. So if we are wanting this, if we are wanting Polygon to come back up and retest the 61% as the resistance line, essentially we need the body bigger than the 50%. We need this wick to achieve 75% itself. Then we can continue on to our resistance level. But I'm kind of thinking price is going to still drop a little bit for Poly. This is another high area of confluence to see if we can break it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks kind of playing defense mode in an area of support or a chunk of support. Whereas, you know, in resistance line, we haven't really tried to retest resistance as much as we're actually retesting support. So if again, price is here in the MACD on a day time frame, and this is the end of the actual trend, then we are going to come back up. Again, we're going to come back up closer to the 80 cents itself, or depending on how strong it is, maybe the 83. But if we take a look really closely, you know, here is essentially the only area that we've gotten tested results on a daily time frame. Again, if we do break through, it may crash all the way down to 69, depending the current of this MACD indicator. So yeah, not really. I'm not really optimistic for this coin at the moment. I really wished on the 4 hour time frame it crosses over. I'm really hoping that you guys that it does cross over, especially closer to the 38, so that we can continue on in our hopes to actually get back up at the 83 cents. So that is my video for Polygon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.